Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to copy URL on YouTube mobile. If you're using YouTube in your mobile app and you want to copy URL for any YouTube video, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your YouTube app and here just select the video of you want to copy the URL. So let's say I'm going to select this one. Just select the video here and you just have to tap on this share option. Now from here you'll get the option of copy link. Just select the copy link option here. Once you have copied your link, you just have to go back and you just have to open your WhatsApp or your messages app if you want to share it. So let's say I'm going to share it with my WhatsApp contact. So here in this section you just have to keep a long press. You'll get the paste option, just select paste and your link will be pasted. Just tap on the share option or the send option and the link will be shared. So in this way you can easily copy a URL on YouTube mobile. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.